In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time with templates in Asana. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started, Asana's templates can streamline your workflow and help you manage your tasks more efficiently. Let's dive in and discover how you can make the most out of these templates. Our journey begins at the Asana website, as you'll first need to head over there and locate the Login button, which you can find in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will prompt you to sign in to your Asana account. If you're already using Google for your tasks, Asana offers a handy feature where you can click Continue with Google to sign in without needing to remember another password. Pick the Google account linked with your Asana, and you'll be swiftly redirected to your Asana dashboard. Once on your Asana interface, the next step is to create a new project. Look for the plus icon, typically found on the top bar, which is your gateway to creating something new. Clicking on this will present you with several options, including starting a new project. Go ahead and select New Project. This simple action opens up a world of possibilities. Here, Asana showcases an array of templates neatly organized into categories. From marketing and product launches to personal productivity, each template is tailored to specific needs, making your choice easier. Skim through the selections under the categories to find one that fits your project requirements. Choose a project template that aligns with your objectives. The beauty of these templates is that they come pre-loaded with tasks and timelines to help guide you, but you're free to customize them as you see fit. This flexibility allows you to tweak project details without losing the structure that the template provides. All that's left now is to click Use Template. Asana will then process your request and create the project based on your chosen template. This process not only saves you time, but also ensures that you're not missing any critical project components thanks to the predefined structure and checklists. By following these steps, you'll have harnessed the power of Asana's templates to enhance productivity and project management. Remember, the key advantage of using templates is that you focus less on setting things up and more on executing and achieving your goals. Until next time, happy organizing in Asana.